This is the look I created today. It looks so complicated, but when I tell you, it's super easy. Now let's create this beautiful look together. For the foundation today, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Full Coverage Foundation. And the shade I'm using is Toasted Coconut. And using a helper brush to blend it, I'm using Bare Minerals Mineral Concealer. I love how this concealer blends so smooth. Using Nude Stay to contour my face. I am unhealthily obsessed with this bronzer. For the blush, I've been loving this duo from Rare Beauty. Shade Encourage. Look at that. I don't even think I'll have to keep mentioning the powder that I'm going to use because isn't it obvious? Jaclyn Hill Brightening Under Eye Powder. Using e.l.f. Brow Pomade for my eyebrows. For the highlighter, this is the palette from Stellar Beauty. I'm going to use this dose of color concealer to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. Blending it out with the Beauty Blender. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be playing with this Carnival Interstellar palette. And I'm going to use this Ocean Blue Shimmer in shade Orbit. And I'm simply patting it all over my lid. Now I'm going to take this green shade called Alien and I'm simply gonna make a wing like that, bringing it inward, filling it in, and I'm simply making a line towards my crease. One more line from here, like straight line. See that? I added black on my waterline. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this Gen C Beauty mascara, and this is how it looks with the lashes on. And for the lip, I'm gonna be using ColourPop BFF3. I'm using this Pillory's Perfect Pout liquid lipstick in shade Semi-Nude. And that's it for the makeup, you guys. Now I'm gonna go do my hair and then be back. I don't know what I did, but I look so different. This is a dupe earring for Bottega and I am living for it. Now it's your time to rate this look from 1 to 10 in the comment section below.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy, hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it, don't give up on your future. We all start losers, we're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it